Hello! The video about testing the device to reset the used Toyota Lexus keys version 1.1. This is the device for the resetting the used Toyota keys 1.1. The procedure of resetting the keys is as follows. Turn on the power of the device with the red button. Take a used Toyota key and put it on the device reader. The type of the key is automatically detected and appeared on the display D4. To reset the key, press the right button until the symbol SL appears on the display. The key is restored. Press the left button to reset the device. The similar procedure is carried out with the second-hand keys of type 94 from Lexus and type A9 from Toyota, without restoring the last one. The test is completed. Thanks for watching.